Alrighty, hello, my name is Cameron Hart, and we are doing our last video discussion of the year. So the first question is, what is the difference between reference angle and the coterminal angle? So as you see, we have two graphs here, both at 110 degrees. So your reference angle correlates with the x-axis. So reference angle for this is we're looking for this angle right here. So that would be 70 degrees because it's 180 degrees minus 110. However, let's say the reference angle, or let's say this angle is right here, we'll be looking for this angle right here. Right, so it corresponds with the closest x value. However, while your coterminal angle is in terms of 360. Right, so this is a positive 110. So now we're trying to look for the angle that equals this same thing but going in the opposite direction. Right? So that right there would be the coterminal angle, which is negative 250 degrees. You see, so positive 110, the coterminal, which would be going in the opposite direction, would be negative 250. So now we go to topics I struggled with. Topics I struggled with, I'd say, would be chapter 6 as a whole, because I feel like identities were difficult to work with. And that's because you had to, even though the identities were given, you still had to kind of like be familiar with what they look like, and there were multiple steps into solving an identity. So it was pretty difficult in that viewpoint. But the topics I most enjoyed was the unit circle, because when we worked with that in high school, I had no clue how to do it whatsoever. So once I got into this class and we started working with it, I finally figured out how to use it and understand it, which made me feel like I accomplished something, considering that I went a whole year without not knowing how to do it, and I come in here and figure out how to use it in a short amount of time. So it feels like I accomplished something, and so I feel like I most enjoyed that topic.